An issue has been talked about, the issue that doctors who have sworn to preserve life are participating in execution. The Medical Association has responded to this by saying that doctors should not participate in executions. And then this part, the first boldface, that the association has resolved the ethical problem. But see, immediately after this, the argument is disputing this by suggesting that doctors, when they are indicating whether the execution has been successful, they are still assisting in the execution. So what are the roles here? The first role is of an intermediate conclusion. See, this is a conclusion reached by the argument, but it has been immediately disputed. So it is not the main conclusion of the argument, it is an intermediate conclusion. What is the main conclusion of the argument? The main conclusion is this entire part from here to here. So first part is an intermediate conclusion, second part is the body of the main conclusion. It cannot be called the main conclusion because it can be argued is a part of the main conclusion. Since this part is not in bold, the second boldface cannot be called the main conclusion. It is the body of the main conclusion. And what is the role of this body? It is disputing the intermediate conclusion reached by the argument. So our expectation from the correct answer choice is that first boldface is an intermediate conclusion. The second boldface is disputing that intermediate conclusion. So let's look at the answer choices now. First is not the main conclusion. Second is not a position that the argument seeks to oppose. Second is in fact the position that the argument eventually establishes. It's a bad answer choice. Look at answer choice B now. First cannot be called an evidence. It has not been used to oppose the main conclusion. And remember, second cannot be called the main conclusion. It is the body of the main conclusion. Many problems with answer choice B. This should be eliminated. Look at answer choice C here. First can be called a claim. That's all right. To reach the main conclusion. This has not been used to reach the main conclusion. And second is not bringing that main conclusion into question. Second itself is the body of the main conclusion. So C is very tricky, not the correct answer choice. No, first is not a position that the argument accepts. C, it immediately disputes it here from however onwards. So first part here is bad. Second part, second is the main conclusion. Once again, it should be something like the body of the main conclusion. This body of thing is a bit tricky. You may not be able to get it straight away, but the answer choice can be easily eliminated because of the role suggested by the first boldface. So this can also be eliminated. Look at the last answer choice. First states a conclusion. See, it says a conclusion, so not the main conclusion of the passage. The second calls that conclusion. Which conclusion? The intermediate conclusion. This one here, a conclusion, into question. So yes, first is an intermediate conclusion. Second is disputing this intermediate conclusion. It is calling that conclusion into question. So E is the correct answer choice.